Degradation of moral values in children, causes and solutions. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "There is nothing that weighs more heavily in the balance than good character." In particular, helping people in their time of need, forgiving others' offenses, respecting parents and elders, fulfilling promises, being kind to people and to animals, being patient in adversity, maintaining justice, being honest, and controlling one's anger appears as major virtues in the concept of morality. To develop the proper conduct of the child, we should teach him the duties that he has to do, and this takes place by being a role model and by sound upbringing and guidance. The child will not learn to be truthful except from a truthful educator. The child will not learn honesty except from an honest educator, and so on. For example, a parent who speaks badly about a family member in front of the child, the father who picks up the phone and does not want to talk to the caller, then gives his phone to the child and says to him, "Tell the caller that I'm not here," is teaching his child to lie, and it's a very bad example. We as parents do so many such mistakes, which has led to erosion of moral value. Man's moral development begins from the early stages of his life and will continue until the age of maturity. Man is born with a natural inclination to goodness, and the environment plays its effective role in shaping this natural inclination according to its readiness and inherited capabilities. The moral values which need to be instilled in our children, not only by the parents but also from all the family members, include acceptance, compassion, cooperation, courage, equality, generosity, gratitude, honesty, kindness, responsibility, and so on. Now, what do you think are the causes of moral degradation? There are various factors responsible for degradation of moral and ethical values among our children. First one is parental behavior. In today's society, the role of parents is much important in developing the personality of the child. Parents are much more concerned about education of their children rather than teaching good moral values to them. Some working parents fail to develop such good discipline and manners among the children. Second most important cause, obviously, is influence of mass media. Undoubtedly, TV, print media, internet blogs and websites, cinemas, role models, movie actors, actresses play an important role in shaping the personality of children. Next cause is defective education system. Our education system fails to impart moral and ethical values among today's children for various reasons. Since school is second home to our children, teachers should try to instill moral values among children. Lack of extra co-curricular activities based on human values and professional ethics is the next important cause. There is a great importance which should be given to co-curricular and curricular activities based on human values. Now, the more importance is given to sports, literary competitions, quizzes, few games, dance or musical events only. Morning meetings, prayers, literary work, discussions over social problems and other cultural activities have been disappeared. National festivals are also celebrated for the sake of formality. The creative mind of youth is diverted towards the unsocial activities such as smoking in public places, eve-teasing, misbehaving in class, drug addictions, misconduct in the household, to name a few. Now, how can we uplift moral education among children? Educational institutes should take up value education lectures seriously and give some productive projects to the children. Some values can be taught through role play, discussion, debates, and games. Dear parent, and anyone who assumes the responsibility of upbringing process, there are a set of most important morals that we must implement in our children. From a very young age, the child should be taught to be polite with parent. Never encourage stubbornness even if you find it very cute. Let the child respect everyone he or she meets. Never backbite about any person in front of the children. Teach them manners of brotherhood, to treat everyone equal. Let them have manners of respecting teachers and neighbors. From a very young age, the child should learn to seek permission. Manners of talking and extending salam. Manners of appearance, manners of walking, sitting, the manners of eating food and drinking, modesty, how to dress, truthfulness and avoiding lying, keeping secrets, and forgiving and humbleness should be taught to the children at a very young age. Lastly, Appreciate the child when he or she does something good or follows good moral values. This will encourage them to do it again. I want to end the topic with this quote: greatness is not found in possession, power, position, or prestige. It is discovered in goodness, humility, service, and character.